Hi guys, I'm going to show you multiplication and division notes. So if we think about back to multiplication, it's really just repetitive addition. So here we're going to take 4 5 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And then we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Kind of makes sense. And then when we do division, let me make small numbers. Let's do 6 divided by 2. So I'm going to have 6 groups into 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know my answer is 3 because each group has 3. So multiplication with integers and division, they follow the same rules. It's pretty much the same. So here we have negative 4 times 5. So I'm going to take negative 4 5 times. And remember, since we're adding and they have all the same sign, we just add and keep. So it's negative 20. Now it looks a little different when we have negative 4 times negative 5. With this, we're still going to write out the same thing. But the difference is this sign right here tells me to do the opposite. So the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. So it's 20. So to formalize our notes, we'll fill this in. So we're going to say the product of two integers with the same sign is going to be positive. The product of two integers with different sign will be negative. Remember, so here we have two positives, answer's positive. Two negatives, answer's positive, because it's going to say do the opposite. Different signs, negative. Different signs, negative. Remember, we had different signs, negative answer. Same signs, positive answer. And this works for division too. Actually, let's solve this first. Negative 10 times negative 2, same signs. We know it's positive 20. We know we have different signs, so it's going to be negative 128. We have different signs, it's going to be negative 120. So with division, quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. The quotient of two integers with different signs is negative. Same thing before. Positive, positive, positive. Same, positive. Different, negative, different, negative. So 50 divided by negative 5, different signs, negative. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. Okay? I'm going to show you one visual that might help before we do some practice problems, and I like to call him Sleepy Man. Sleepy Man starts with drawing a circle, and then we're going to divide him kind of into thirds. So right here, his eyes are closed, his mouth is positive. I'm going to show you how to use Sleepy Man. So here we are. We have a positive 4 and a negative 28. So I take my finger and cover the positive, finger cover the negative, and I know my answer has to be a negative. And it's going to be negative 112. So over here, we have two negatives. So I cover my two negatives, so I know my answer has to be positive. And it's going to be positive 738. All right, two different signs. Cover it up. We know my answer has to be negative. It's going to be negative 84. Different signs. Cover it up. You know we have negative 18. All right, we have same signs, so both negatives. Cover that up. Positive 6. And then two different signs. So if we go back to Sleepy Man, different signs. We know it's negative 92. All right, now we got to follow order of operations. Remember, order of operation tells us to go left to right. We can't do multiplication before division. All right, so we have two negative signs. Here's Sleepy Man again. Positive, so I know I'm going to be positive to find this one. I'm going to be positive 6. And times negative 8. Different signs. Negative 48 will be my answer. Last one. So remember, we're going to do the same signs. 6, 24, 25. Divided by negative 4. Oh, I made a mistake. Remember, make a mistake? Just put a plus. And then 256 divided by a negative 4, we're going to have negative 64. The biggest deal with these is not to confuse multiplication division with adding and subtracting. All right, good work.